Gold, we start with daily chart. Okay, as we have been winning the down move for gold because we have been looking for this structure. And now structurally, we have these three waves. Now, if there is a continuation, we need to look for the bigger correction or may we get the reversal. That's why from now, if we're looking for sell, we need to be quite careful. We want to see how we can trade for the next week. Okay, first of all, we move to lower time frame forward chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, after we get this down move, we had this line. We mentioned we can expect the price to drop as a correction. Even we point on the channel, this is what we have it. How deep it can go, still can drop. But from now, any sell will be short term, similar to any of this. And if we get any reversal for the long term trade, we are more interested. But again, how deep it can go, if during the times we're looking for, trading, any sell will be a short term sell. Okay, and second, we want to see, do we have a divergence or not? Okay, from here, as we can see, every time the price drop, and if we refer to MACD, we have a divergence. If we put this one in relative to this and here, and even based on another one as well, we can see. Now the thing is, we need to be quite careful. If for next week, if we're getting any sell, we consider as a short-term sell, but we are more interested in the buy. But anyway, we don't have any reversal to look for buy, any trade setup to look for buy. Okay, no, we want to see whether next week we can get or not. And if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, if we put all these things in relative to each other, if we move to MACD, we can see that is losing the momentum. And even for this one, this tree we cannot see, but if we put compared to here, that's mean if we compare this one in relative to this, that's mean here, if I remove everything, this one in relative to this, we can see we have a divergence. Okay, again, what I want to say is that for the next week, still we can look for sell similar to any correction. That means still we can look for one move down, but any sell will be a short-term sell. It depends on the traders. They know they want to take or not. Okay, but again, if we get any sell, as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it because we cannot confirm how deep it can go. All depends on the market open. But any reversal for long-term trade, we can look for buy. This will be if we get, for example, if the price drop one more, any reversal with the breakout of this trend line, we can look for buy. By the way, we don't have any trade setup, and in this case, we just follow the market. As I mentioned, anyone is looking for sell, they should be quite careful. Either we get a reversal or this one tend to bigger correction. Okay, that means if we get any buy setup, we'll take it. And for long term, and if we see it's not moving, we start to manage it. By the way, we just follow the market. When the market open, if I see any trade setup or update, I will share. Thanks.